we'll see our physics question to do with waves. A flute is a musical instrument made from a long tube that is open at both ends. A stationary sound wave in the tube produces a musical note. The lowest frequency note that a standard flute produces in air is 262 Hz. The speed of sound in air at a temperature of 20 degrees is 340 meters per second. Show that the standard fluid has an approximate length of 0.65. Now, the very important information given in this question is the fact that the fluid is made from both ends that are open. That means we can just sketch out where the antinodes and antinodes would be. If it's open at both ends, we must have antinodes at both ends. Remember, antinodes are the open ends or where we have the maximum amplitude. So these are antinodes. These points over here are the nodes. Okay. And on both sides we'll have antinodes. Now we have to know what the wavelength would be for this. Remember that a wave with both nodes at both ends, that's half a wavelength. So if we have half of that, that means we'll have 0.25, 0.25 on both sides. That makes a half, basically. That's a half wavelength long. So let's write that there. If we combine it, it's the same. So then has stopped. Yep, so have half wavelength. And now, so we're going to be using the formula that links wavelength and frequency together, which is wavelength is equal to, so wave speed is equal to frequency times wavelength. We're working out wavelength here, so the formula becomes speed over frequency. Quickly subbing in the values, 340 over 262. If you quickly sub that in the calculator, you should get, let's quickly double check. So that gives us 1.29. one 1.297 and so on. Now we're going to times that by the wavelength we got to work out the length, the exact length. So you times that by a half, and that gives you a value of 0.649 if you round it up to 3 significant figures. Now this is the same as 0.65 meters per second, meters, and that's the answer they were looking for. Make sure to always show an answer that's not rounded off, so they can double check that you got the correct answer, especially for the question. And that was pretty much.